You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting Chinese word designating a fruit. It essentially means watermelon or watermelon in Chinese, so a word from Mandarin. In Chinese, it is said as Xigua, Xigua, Xigua. Now, in English, it's generally said rather Xigua, Xigua or Xigua, although it's not hard to say it as Xigua. Okay, so I would suggest saying Xigua, Xigua. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.